Itu laundry bag banabole la basement tu itu plastic tap wire tu ele makan half cut kurine suru kuribo. Full bi if you want full bi use kurible pare holebi choto size kushi pai moi to itu karne moi half nika sob bi cut kuri ase and then moi te use kura la plastic use kura la tap wire pra use kuri ase to apni kan fresh use kuri ase kole to apni kan fresh use kuri ase kole to cut na kuribi ni first day nika half kuribi and then cutting na kurina continue kuribole pare de aro moyete sabi dikai dia tu na plastic wire tu nika round plastic wire pra cover up kuri lobo mekan na round kura pichite ni alop strong hobole taila support to alop strong hobole karni mekan inika round kuri ase re this is very important part round na kurile bi paribole bi strong foundation lage to na to karne makan nika round kuri lobo first aro mayate plastic wire measurement to ele to 8 feet ase 9 feet ole bi 10 feet ole bi use kuribole parle bi shi lamba ole to long process ase to karne moi hodai 8 feet use kure to labek bana de na to itu ending part hoise makan yate pra alo choto nika fold kuri lobo to start makan round shape banabole ase to inika iku measurement lobole kam nai de measurement na loi nai ne choto nika fold kuri round shape banabole karne na to mai yate apni kan ke dikai dia tu itu first note ase first starting note ase to itu first note banate alop dhyan dine kuribi koli jable chances ase to karne first note te makan bal pra whole kurine kuribo lagi de makan de
no even know I would you want to do now? Oh, what do you know about ma? So one bowl is one
har sabi itu kata la side to always left side te turn kuribo lagi de running wire running tap kan to ele to always right side te hobo ni magane pichite makan turn kuratem na parar job to na to karne make sure itu kata la side to ele left side fale turn kuribo
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the whisper truths as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echoing step on the forest floor opens a world through an ancient door. The silence alive, yet brimming with sound. In the arms of solitude, I am found. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune. Caught in the rhythm, the stars and the moon teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh.
8 feet to plastic wire to koto moshe to makan yate add plastic wire to add kuribo to etu nisna apni kan bi bal par sai na add kuri lobi etu plastic wire extra add kura to ele to tai la muk kan makan join kura la parts kan to na dikibo lagi de etu karne na dikibole karne etu moila same to follow kuri lobi same banai lobi aro etu kura tante alop apni balpra hole kuri lobi na balpra hole kuri lobi noile to khuli jabo to etu apni nika notes banai lo piche de sabi moi dikai dibo nika makan notes banai lo piche de duita rusi makan running wire sorry plastic wire to extra add kurabi aro the old one makan kata hoishina etu bi duita balpra tanibo nika
Mama.
notes banai lo piche de sabi moi apni kan ke dikai dibo
Mama.
etu balpra tani lobi de apni kan bi de
Mama.
to iku na dikibo iku na janibo to etu iku changes nai makan itia kinika jase tu nisna continue kuri takibo till last iku changes nai apni kan itu kuri taki shekule to bal par round shape ulai jabo aro itu base banate na apni kan bishi gap na dibi all after one round one notes banai na jai takibo bishi gap dile bi bias na to karne bishi gap dile taila base to strong na hwa jai to karne base bana time de alop gap bishi na dina one round and then one notes banai na jai takibo de Aro makan sabi tap wire bi to kata hoise moi use kuri asna tu karne nika middle te add kuribi at the same time duita nalagabi de makan ete duita use kuri asna libi at the same time duita nalagabi alop knots 2-3 knots bana bichite again another plastic tap wire to add kuribi de aro suppose apni kan fresh use kuri ase kole to nakatine continue te kuribole pare till last apni kan kiman dangor kuribole mon ase etu la hisab te pra nakatine jable paribo de
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whisper.
iman sabi moi already dangor banai lase to moi kan la plastic wire and then tap wire to kinika ending kure to dikai de ase bal para sagina kuri lobi to la parts bi
Under the boughs where the shadows play, the wind hums songs at the break of day. Whispering pines, secrets untold, carrying tales only the forest holds. Moonlight spills through the velvet dark, etching patterns, leaving its mark. The roots stretch deep, the earth's gentle sigh, a lullaby sung to the open sky. Oh, whispering pines, sing me your tune, caught in the rhythm of the stars and the moon. Teach me the language of rustling leaves, stories that linger on the breath of the breeze. The dawn paints gold on the mountain's crown, while rivers whisper truth as they flow down. And their songs entwine with the trees that stand, knotted in time by nature's hand. Each echo